Hey guys, it's Ryan from Jackass Kids 101, and I'm gonna pull a prank on Will because he fell asleep while he was while he was reading, and I was watching the other guys. So today I was gonna put whipped cream, but it was all gross and creamy. So I'm gonna put ketchup on his hands and put some of this on him. Let's do this. Perfect. That's you. It turns out. I'm excited. Okay, let's do this thing. Yeah. No, other hand, you're stupid. You're
so annoying! Oh my god! Oh. Dude, you suck!
Wait, look at me, look at the camera.
Oh, you actually suck, Ryan. Oh my god.
It's behind your ear.
Oh my god.
It's over your face.
You suck. Turn the camera off. Oh, I got it in my mouth.
It's behind your ear.
Oh,
Dude, it's behind your ear.
dude,
Oh my god.
Turn the camera off.